But that did not stop Cristophe Phillips from dancing his way to becoming the first deaf person to earn a degree in the performing arts and choreography from the Edna Manley College. Cristophe Phillips, graduate of Edna Manley College, is here, and sign language interpreter Abraham Aiken. Good morning.
Morning.
And welcome. Cristophe, what inspired your passion for the arts?
Well, dancing is really my passion, and I wanted to do it.
Yeah. So a lot of people who are watching would say, dancing, how does he hear the music? How does he interpret the emotions of dance?
Well, I feel the music through the vibrations in the floor. I feel the connection, and it is like an expression. It's like with signing, the facial expression and the body language, the dancing is the same thing for me.
Well, I love to dance, but I can't choreograph. So what made you decide that this would be a career for me? I am going to study dance.
Well, really, I've noticed a lot of deaf people have the ability to dance, and we should have leaders and teach them, because why not encourage deaf people to dance? Because many people have the arts, they paint and so on. So I want to encourage them to use that skill and not just waste it and leave it. Take the opportunity.
That's amazing. So I said the first to graduate, and the first of anything is always groundbreaking. How does that make you feel that I'm a pioneer?
Well, I feel elated, to be honest, and why? Because I have the qualifications and I can go where I want to.
How difficult was it for you, though, Cristophe? I mean, we're sitting here and you're a graduate, but persons who can hear sometimes don't make it to graduation. How difficult was it for you?
Well, it was difficult for me with the interpreting, because getting access, communication, we need the interpreter. So really that was the difficult thing for me to move on. So without it, I felt like I couldn't go on.
Yeah. Were there times when you thought, this is too much of me, I don't want to pursue this anymore?
Yes, many times. I was frustrated, struggling. People were encouraging me, no, don't give up, keep on going. And it was really hard, to be honest, to tell you. It was very hard.
Yeah. So talk to me about the Edna Manley environment, because it must have also been a journey for them to change the process to ensure that you are where you are today.
Well, I think it started with Chantel. We advocated and we said, yes, we need to learn how to proceed with deaf people. And we tell them what we need, and they changed their mindset. We taught them signs, taught them how to accept deaf people. And yeah, that is really it.
That's really it. Tell me a little bit now about, you've done this. What are some of the things that you feel we can adjust or be better at to allow persons such as yourself who are talented to be able to accomplish their dreams?
Well, right now we have 2 deaf people, students at the Edna Manley College there, and we encourage them, if they have the passion, to go for it. So they need the encouragement and they need it. So really and truly encouragement.
Yeah. If I'm a parent and I'm watching, I have a child who's deaf. What would you say is the key thing for me to do to encourage them to walk a path that is theirs, to claim what is theirs?
Well, as a parent, you would say, tell them to follow their heart and their intuition, and give them love and support. So if they want that, I will support you and continue to encourage you.
Well, let's get back to dance. What's your area of specialization?
And choreography.
Oh, those two.
Performance and
Are there any specific genres of music that you like to choreograph?
Well, there's no specific, but it's really and truly just anything. It's something like the rhythm and the beat that I feel. It's, yeah. So with like the bass, music with a lot of bass.
Yeah. What inspires your choreography? If I see your work, what will be the signature that will say to me, that's a Cristophe Phillips work?
Well, I don't know. I couldn't say.
Well, Cristophe, where do you go next? Where do you go next?
Well, right now I'm trying to get a job, so to be honest, I was trying to get anything related to my degree. So either I work as teaching deaf kids or anywhere that relates to my degree.
All right.
And also I will continue to dance and train and so on.
Excellent, excellent. I look forward to seeing your work, Cristophe.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, Cristophe Phillips, graduate of the Edna Manley College and sign language interpreter Abraham Aiken. And you heard it, he's available. So if you have a team and you need a choreographer that's gonna bring some great work to you, here he is, give him a call. Now we get another performance. Here's Dub Squad with Simplicity.